Are we humans really the most intelligent species of them all? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species telepathically. And one of the things that I hear quite often from a lot of people, not just my clients and my students, but also in general conversations, is that we, the humans, are supposed to be the most intelligent species of them all. And personally, from my conversations with animals and with nature, I have realized that intelligence is very subjective. What may seem like intelligent to us may not necessarily be to the other species, and vice versa. So from what I understand from speaking to nature and animals is the fact that intelligence is all about our surrounding circumstances and how we adapt to them. Intelligence is of course about our survival instinct and what we do to survive in a safe and in a healthy manner, and thrive in a safe and healthy manner. And in that context, every animal that I have spoken to so far, and every tree or every plant that I have come in touch with, are extremely intelligent, because they know exactly how to ensure that they thrive and survive in the environment. And if they are not able to do that, then obviously they wither away and they die, and they have to move on, because of course the fitter species will take over, because survival of the fittest is a law of nature. So in my personal opinion, on account of all the communications I have had, I don't believe that we humans are the most intelligent species, simply because our intelligence and their intelligence is not comparable. For example, dogs know exactly how to get their food from us by begging, by making those puppy eyes, or even coming to you exactly to do that person who they feel will be able to feed them. So that is intelligence, and they have adapted to our life. Our pets, for that matter, they come into our homes, we uproot them from their own natural environment, they start living with us, and they so easily adjust to our routines and understand us and ensure that they live a healthy life with us, and that is a part of intelligence as well. So according to me, all beings are intelligent in their own ways, and that definitely for me doesn't make us humans the most intelligent species that are there. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful.